Welcome back to the evolving icon of Spotify Camp Nou, where every week reveals another layer of transformation. From rising glass facades and fresh concrete pours to critical structural preparations, the stadium is entering a decisive phase. Tribune, Gol Sur, Lateral, and Gol Norte are all moving forward simultaneously. In today's update, we break down the key developments shaping the future home of Barca. Work continues in the Tribune sector of Spotify Camp Nou with steady progress. Concrete panels are now installed at the elevator bases, and chrome-finished tubes are ready for installation. Lifting platforms remain active, and protective coverings have been removed from several sandwich panels, exposing ongoing development. At the Café Diamond corner, previously installed glass panels remain in place. Compared to the store-side diamond, this section remains slightly ahead structurally but still awaits final glazing. The Gol Sur sector shows increased activity across multiple levels. New structural pieces have been lifted to the upper tiers, while crane operations continue inside the framework. Lamella supports remain incomplete on the left side, with no recent additions. Concrete elevator panels, already installed in Tribune, are expected to arrive here as progress advances stadium-wide. A key development this week is the installation of blue protective nets beneath the stepped beams. These nets indicate preparation for prefabricated seating sections. Lifting platforms are securing and adjusting the netting, suggesting seating installation may begin soon. Attention now shifts to the Lamella support system in Gol Sur. Thin alignment cables have been installed across support brackets, signaling preparation for Lamella placement. Workers are tightening and inspecting anchor points to ensure structural precision. Although no lamellas are installed yet, groundwork suggests installation could begin soon. In the corner near Gol Sur, crews are working behind triangular brackets, likely reinforcing connection points for facade elements. Work continues in the lateral sector of Spotify Camp Nou. The elevator structure is fully enclosed with sandwich panels to the top, with only standard openings remaining. Additional panels are being installed on the right using lifting platforms. Upper platforms are paused, while activity continues around the VIP and cantilever levels. Concrete work continues in the lateral structure. A pump is operating in the upper slab area where reinforcement mesh was placed. Recently resurfaced ground sections have been re-poured, with minor finishing still pending. This entire section has been re-concreted. The area that was previously removed has now been fully poured again, and the surface looks much cleaner. Some nearby sections already have wooden formwork in place, meaning concrete work could begin there very soon. A few steps still need repair, but overall, this zone is clearly progressing. Take a look at the number of lifting platforms in this area. Multiple machines working at the same time. Crews are focusing on the lower supports for the future slats. Anchor installations don't seem to be happening yet, but preparation work is definitely underway. You can feel the steady momentum building here. Now we track along the structure toward Gol Norte. Glass installation expanding fast. This is where progress really stands out. The central section is now largely covered with glass panels. Compared to last week, the difference is very noticeable. Rock wool insulation is already installed in several areas, although the outer finishing layer is still missing in some sections. Workers are reviewing and adjusting the slat support structures using elevated platforms. At the upper levels, welding is underway, sparks flying as reinforcement continues. Cranes are active below, possibly positioning additional structural elements. In the corner, new horizontal tubes are being added, forming what appears to be another structural layer. Measurements are being taken carefully, likely preparing for upcoming connector installations. Prefabricated seating sections are still present on site, with at least one unit recently lifted. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for daily construction updates. Stay tuned for every new progress at Spotify Camp Nou.